Hi, this is Gabriel Correa with another Tech This Out quick tip for your Nexus 7. In this session, we'll be showing you how to set up your email. Let's begin. Got my Nexus 7 tablet. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open up the notification, not the notification, the app drawer. From there, we're going to navigate to email, and as you can see, email has never been set up on this device. We're going to go ahead and do so. And first field is your email address. Go ahead and type that in. And password. I'm going to go ahead and flip my device over so that I don't get a bunch of hackers into my account. Alright, so now I've got my email address and my password. I'm not going to click on next. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on manual setup. So let's go ahead and do that. Here are the different options we get when we click on the manual setup. For our specific email for work, it is an exchange. So we're going to go ahead and click on exchange. Here are the server settings. We have to modify a couple things here. Where it says domain, you have a slash and username. What we need to do is we need to add FUSD prior to that slash. Password's still there. Our server, we need to click in here. And I'm going to move that arrow there. And then we need to change the server to mail.fusdaz.org. And once we do those two things, FUSD, mail.fusdaz.org, go ahead and click next. Okay, what it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and check to make sure that those indeed are the correct credentials as well as server settings for our email. So this might take anywhere between 30 seconds to about a minute and a half. However, once we get that all set up, there are a couple things that, oh, look at that, perfect. So once you get that remote security administration, it's saying that that specific server requires you to allow it to remotely control. We're going to go ahead and click OK. And then here are all the different account options that we have. I'm going to go ahead and talk about each one of those. Inbox checking frequency. How often do you want it to pull your email into your device? Automatic push is what it defaults to. So as soon as an email comes into the server, it gets pushed out to your device. Or you could set it to every 5 minutes, 10, 15, 30, or every hour. I like to leave mine at push. Days to sync. How far back do you want your email to go? Do you want it automatic, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, up to a month, or all? I choose all. However, this is up to your discretion. I like to have all my emails, even those from 5, 6 years ago, on my device in case I need to look something up. Send email from this account by default. We want to go ahead and do so because that's the only account that we have on here. Note, do you want a notification when you get an email? You can check that or uncheck that. Do you want to sync the contacts? In other words, the contacts that you have on your email, for example, parent distribution groups or what have you, do you want those to be on here? If you do, go ahead and leave that checked. Do you want to sync the calendar, email, obviously, and do you want to automatically download attachments when connected to Wi-Fi? I like to leave everything as it is, and like I said, the only thing that I really changed was days to sync to all. Once you choose what you want, go ahead and click next, and it'll pull you up to the next menu. What do you want your title for this email account to be? I just leave everything the way it is and click next. Now is the actual fun part where we get to sync our email. So this is the longest part of the entire process. However, once this is done, your email is here and it'll be here for you to view and do whatever you want to as if you're standing in front of your computer and doing email from there. This has been a Tech This Out quick tip. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow us on Twitter at FUSD Tech This